Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to make brochure in Google Docs. So first of all, go on file and go on page setup, select whole document and select landscape. Make paper size to letter and make sure to make all this 0.25. Now click on OK. After that, go on format, click on columns and select 3 columns right over here. Now add a lot of spaces using your spacebar. Okay, and you are set to go. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.